Hello and welcome to another Carstar video. Today we'll be removing the heater core and heater blower motor from a Fiat 500, and to do this we'll first need to remove the glove box compartment that sits in front of these parts, and we'll be removing this so we can have access and space to these parts, and it just makes it for a more cleaner job. To remove the glove box compartment you would have various screws, these ones being the T20 or 25 torque screws. And once you remove these ones, there's 4 of them on the top and 2 at the bottom, and also behind the caps inside the glove box compartment, the lids. After this part we will be removing the lid, and then behind the lid there's only one screw that's different, and that one's an Allen key, and I believe that was a T25, and that is this one. We will remove this, it's only got one of this style of screw. Removing this one, there's a cap on the top part of the compartment, as you can see in the video, and we just do this so we can have the space and access, and it's much more easier and makes it for a cleaner job. If you want to just remove the heater blower motor, just continue with this video. If you want to skip to the heater core, skip to 2 minutes and 19 seconds. That's when we are doing the heater core. So we have space now, and you can see the heater blower motor behind there, which is held on with three screws that are 5.5mm sockets. They're very small, and also the plug of the heater blower motor. And I do apologize for the recording, it's very difficult to do when you're also recording with one hand and removing the screws with the other hand in a very tight space. Just trying to show you how it's done. So you can remove the heater blower motor, as you can see, with the screws, and just see the direction and how it's placed if you do want to fit a new one, if your blower motor is not working. How you take it out is how you put it in. Now to the heater core, we'll just remove this cover over here so we can have some space for the heater core, and the heater core is right there. And if you are changing the heater core, generally it's because it's leaking, so there will be water to where on the bottom part of where the heater core is. There's a cover in front of the heater core, which is also held on by 5.5mm screws, and there's 3 of these ones, and once you do remove this, the cover will be off, and there's only clips that hold the heater core in place. My goal is to put videos that anyone can do at home, so I believe that this can be done, and so for someone that just needs a little push, it's very easy to do, and it can save you some money. Now there's clips that hold the heater core in place, and if you are doing this job, I do believe you should have like a little bucket, a small bucket, before you remove the tubes, because the water would come out. But if it's leaking, I believe that there won't be any water, or very little. But for this one, because it's a good heater core, there is water going to be coming out. Once you remove both clips, as you can see, the heater core is already moving. When the clips are off, you just need to pull the tubes out towards the front of the vehicle, and pretty much the heater core is detached, so you can see the water is going to come out. Maybe you should have a little, container for the water, and that's how you remove the heater core. And with any job, the idea is that the same way you take it off, the same way you would put it back in. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.